This is a hot lot.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. There's a Lamborghini selling today that's been on my watch list for quite some time. I recently discovered that this Lamborghini was owned by a YouTuber, which makes it even more exciting. Without wasting any more time, let's take a look at this car and watch it sell live at auction. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's see how much time we have before it goes. 17 minutes. That's plenty of time. It's a 2013 Superleggera. This is probably one of the last years Lamborghini made the Gallardo. Right off the bat, this is a really good foundation to start off with. This car is going to most likely hold its value, and it will make a great rebuild project. Let's take a closer look at the pictures, and then we'll see what the auction tells us about this car. So we have some damage here on the passenger side. Not sure what this thing hit.
Bad news, hit a tree.
Driver's side looks pretty good. Interior just looks a little bit dirty. The rear end looks good too, but when we move to the engine bay, this doesn't look like a clean engine bay that Lamborghini would have. Lamborghini does a really good job of making their engine bay look as presentable as possible, especially with the Superleggera trim. They're most likely going to have carbon fiber panels that cover all this stuff up, and the only thing you would have is probably just the access for these fill ports. Let's actually zoom in a bit on that picture. Go to the engine bay. You can see some of these fasteners on that airbox are missing as well. It looks like someone probably just slapped it back together, didn't really pay too much attention to it. And it appears that a harness is disconnected. Could be it's missing the component that it goes to, or it's probably just not plugged in. And you can see these throttle body valves. They usually would have a duct feeding into this airbox, and those are clearly not here. Someone definitely was in the engine bay of this vehicle, not really sure what's going on. Especially when we see exterior damage like this. This would be a reason why the vehicle would be totaled out. But when you look at the engine bay like this, it doesn't really make too much sense.
Got the car within 200 miles, the motor blew. Motor got rebuilt, blew the motor again. Took it into AGX, they put a used motor in it. That motor went bad. That motor had to get rebuilt again. It was the third motor this time.
And the secondary damage, they're saying it is mechanical damage, and the vehicle does not run and drive, and that is why the auction designates it as a enhanced vehicle. Overall, I think it's a very good foundation to start off with, but I don't know if the suspension components have been damaged or not.
It hit the frame under here. There's a chunk taken out underneath. Like a chunk missing from the frame, and underneath there the whole steering assembly got ripped off.
This looks like you just need a hood and a fender and maybe a new tire. So next clip we're gonna see what Nate Bossi's Lamborghini auctions off for.
Yo, it's not Nate Bossi, it's Nate Bougie.
And now the Lamborghini bidder. This is a hot lot. Bonus time. Sold on approval.
That is going to be it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on anything. And if I earned your thumbs up, be sure to hit that like button and feel free to leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. That said, guys, I'll see you in the next one.